So here we are at the Campo Poolhouse. We're all finished up. We got Mariah throwing deuces with her mom Shanna, saying yo yo. Joe and Shanna's painting once again. We got Yellow Boy Zach on the cleaning detail. What's up, Zach? Yeah. Detailing it out. There we got little Prego Macy in the house. What's up, Macy?
Alright, Joe, don't forget yourself. We got Joe, put a white here, extra white.
That's yeah, thanks to Shanna playing games on the job.
It's my favorite.
That's all right. Payback though. All right, so we sprayed 1 coat of oil base, Pro Blocker Quick Dry oil base primer on all this wood and all the lattice. And Mariah and Shanna, they replaced a lot of wood over here on the side windows where Zach's detailing the windows out. All this wood was replaced. We replaced it with cedar and replaced these bottoms with cedar that were rotted out. We replaced 3 of these window bottoms down here, or actually 4 of them on this side and 1 more on this back side right there. So we got, this was all red, so we sprayed it with a coat of oil base, and then we sprayed it with Sherwin-Williams Super Paint. So it's got 2 good coats on it, 3 coats in some spots. I think it came out real nice. And this was the house that we painted the deck on as well. All right, job well done.